Hello guys, welcome back again to my video, and for those who don't know, my name is JMC, and may sakit ako ngayon guys, sinisipon ako and inuubo. So yeah, I just want to thank you for my followers, and it's 500 plus followers na po ako. So yeah, congrats to my followers. Wait lang. Congrats to me, of course. Congrats to myself because pinaghirapan ko na makakuha ng followers na mataas, and may sakit ako ngayon. Yes, sinisipon ako tapos may ubo pa. And I just want to thank you to my YouTube channel. It's kanina nag-check ako dun sa ko YouTube. So I was shocked that